Hey! Oh, you look adorable. Can I have a high five? Oh, I like this. This is so nice. You're adorable.
Unicorn.
That's a unicorn. Yeah, it looks really nice. I like it.
And I have a tail.
Oh, a unicorn tail. I didn't know unicorns had tail, but I guess they're kind of like...
Hi, what's up guys? Today I got another video of nice bikers. I hope you will like this one.
Calendars, the key tags. This is for me? Oh, kind of hug. Thank you so much. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. I'm gonna have to wear this on my motorcycle. Oh, I could be a big dragon. You're a unicorn and I'm a dragon. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, no problem. I will wear this on my motorcycle and I'll make a whole video just for you. High five one more time. Thank you so much. You want to be on a video?
In this clip, this biker just found out 20 bucks and put the money into car's wiper.
Car though. I don't see anyone, but yeah. Their door's open though, I don't want to take it and then be like... Yeah, and I got it on video.
Я не хотел. Она мне помахала. Я ей понравился.
And next few clips of this biker, which the biker make people's day more better and nice. clip which the biker gives chill runs to start his motorcycle and rev it for fun and enjoy.
Dra ner den här. Du tar bara den och drar den neråt. Och så håller du in. Sådär. Du kan släppa den. Så kan du också om du vill vi börjar så. Ja. Vad sa du? Vad sa du? 5000?
Kör snabbaste!
Nej, det här är en 30-väg. Här blir man direkt av med körkortet. Tyvärr. Ha det bra! Ses!
Thanks for watching to the end. I hope you will enjoy it and always doing nice things with the nice peoples.